Good evening, folks. Well, it's another episode of This Is One of Those. It's a this was another trash find. It came with the down rod and the blades, but not the blade screws or the switch housing tap. So, or a light kit or anything. So. I'm a firm believer that beggars can't be choosy, and it was just sitting in a trash pile, so I salvaged it. The blade screws are new screws, like from Home Depot or whatever. They do fit, and the mounting bracket is from I don't even remember where that thing's from, but one of the Tats or something. But anyway, it does move air, and it obviously has some usable life left in it. And for those whom it may concern, it's Wednesday, July 5th, 2023, and I'm not sure exactly what time it is. Probably around like 8:30 or so at night. Yeah, and there's no screw-on piece on the switch, so the switch is just sticking out, so I have to kind of pull it horizontally. But yeah, for a cheap little fan, I mean, and in my case a free little fan, it actually does its job pretty well. Now, I'm not entirely sure what kind of spin down you're going to get, because I have all these other fans going because it is very hot and humid in here. Yeah, I've got like 3 ceiling fans and a shop fan on right now, and they're all pointing in this general direction, so it's probably not going to get much of a spin down, but anyway, I'll take it up a little bit so you can see the top of it. Let's see, yeah, what could that possibly stand for? Anyway, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more fan videos. Good night and good luck.